Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking prerequisites. Airplane mode must be on to disable cellular radios, and you should know how to access settings quickly. Once done, open Settings or swipe Quick Settings and turn Bluetooth on. This overrides the cellular radio block while keeping cellular off. Make sure your headset, keyboard, or mouse is in pairing mode now. That's usually a long press or dedicated button. You do this first, so the device is discoverable and ready for the next pairing step. Next, scan for devices in the Bluetooth menu and pick the correct device name. Avoid similar-looking names to prevent connecting to the wrong unit. When the pairing prompt appears, confirm the PIN or accept the pairing request, and make sure to grant any necessary permissions for audio or input. Otherwise, the accessory may connect but not work. If your device supports advanced codecs or needs firmware updates, open its app now to finalize settings and ensure stable audio or input performance. Finally, test the connection by playing audio or typing to confirm the accessory works while airplane mode remains on. Adjust volume and input settings as needed. If the connection fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then repair the device. This often resolves address conflicts. Make sure to restart your phone if problems persist, and clear the Bluetooth cache on Android or forget the device and repair on iOS before doing any factory resets. That single troubleshooting tip will save you time in most cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.